I'm your social media lawyer, and every now and then I have to take a hike because I spend my days helping creators like you stay out of trouble, and I gotta tell you, they get into trouble hard. From my work with creators, I've come up with 3 absolute legal must-dos before you start your YouTube channel. I thought I'd share them with you today, or we could take a look at this view. One of my clients, and we're gonna call her Sarah for the purposes of this video, she had a YouTube channel where she sold weight loss tea. She was a single mom. She started out small, but by the end of the year or so that she was doing her YouTube channel, she had over 72,000 subscribers. She was doing great. She was getting more subscribers. She was making almost $5,000 a month, and then it happened. What happened? Well, she used the phrase clinically proven on her YouTube channel. In other words, she said that her weight loss tea was clinically proven to lose weight. Guess what? It wasn't. Sarah ended up being sued by 2 of her subscribers. They said that they drank the tea, but they didn't lose weight. I wonder if their lack of weight loss had anything to do with the fact that they didn't have a balanced diet. Anyway, Sarah faced a $20,000 lawsuit. She messaged me, she said, "What should I do?" And in the back of my head, I couldn't help thinking, it's not what should I do, it's what you should have done. And what she should have done is form a corporation or other corporate entity to own her YouTube channel before she started selling tea. Why? Because owning a corporation or a limited liability company gives you limited responsibility for your business debts. If Sarah had a corporation and it owned the YouTube channel, then the corporation and not Sarah would have been named in the lawsuit. The corporation and not Sarah would have faced liability for the $20,000 lawsuit. That means Sarah's personal assets like her home, her car, or all of her equipment, they would not be in jeopardy for this lawsuit that was brought by 2 of her subscribers. And there are tax benefits to having a corporation or an LLC. And I have to tell you, if you're incorporated, you have a reduced chance of being audited by the IRS. To learn about all the benefits of having a corporation or an LLC, you can get my free corporate startup guide by texting LAW, that's LAW, to 213-340-3302. That's 213-340-3302. I have to tell you that having corporations myself and starting corporations for my clients has saved my ass and the asses of my clients. A lot of asses saved. That's gonna be my new tagline for my YouTube channel. Once you have your corporation, you need to start up a corporate bank account. Why? That way you can have money to be able to pay for the business that you have on YouTube. Also, you can get a corporate credit card and begin to build credit for your corporation so that you can borrow money to buy equipment or buy things that you need for your YouTube business. I don't know if you can see this. This is a little litigator hawk stalking its non-corporation prey. And you also need to have commercial insurance. For more on what types of insurance and the endorsements you need for your YouTube channel, just get my free corporate startup guide by texting LAW to the number you see below. All right, I can hear you saying, what's so important about commercial insurance? Well, if you have commercial insurance, it's the first line of defense if your corporation ever gets sued. So if you get a lawsuit, you will tender that to the insurance company. You will send it to the insurance company. They will appoint defense counsel that they pay for, defend you in the lawsuit, and pay the settlement or judgment after trial. So what happened to Sarah? Well, we were able to get her out of the lawsuit for a mere trade. That is, the disgruntled tea drinkers, they would dismiss the entire lawsuit for an apology and a 6-month supply of Hunger Buster gummies. I love saying Hunger Buster gummies. Needless to say, Sarah is now the proud owner of a California LLC, so she doesn't have this same problem again. And as her lawyer, I have pleaded with her never to say the phrase clinically proven again, not even at the dinner table. Like and subscribe for more legal tips, and watch these next 2 videos. They're gonna show you how to skyrocket your online business.